What if electric guitar lang alam ko isa? Okay, so kung electric guitar ang alam mo, eh hindi ka marunong mag-classical, eh di wag ka na doon mag-aral, di ba? So, marami naman type of music schools, no? May conservatories, may music schools na cater to modern music, no? So, kung hindi ka naman pang classical na di wag ka doon mag-enroll, ganun lang kasimple. Hanap ka ng ibang schools, no? So, kung electric guitar, no? Pero basically, dapat marunong ka pa rin ng konting music theory. So, yun naman yung aaralin mo kung gusto mo mag-music school. So, saan ba pwede? Hanap ka ng music production na course or music technology. Yan. So, sa Manila, sa UST meron nun. Saints ko yata, meron din. Then, of course, sa CSB, yun yung pinakaano nila. Main music course or program, which is music production. So, kung electric guitar alam mo at gusto mong mag-rock band, ganyan, or mahilig ka mag-record, I think that is the better school for you. I don't think sa UP kasi may ganong klaseng school. And then, meron din namang school na may major in pop, no? I think sa PWU meron silang ganong program. Pop music yung major mo, no? Kasi, of course, papasok ko sa conservatory, which is catered to for classical music, tas di mo alam yung gagawin mo, di mo ka doon pumasok. Dahil na kasi kayo, no? Pero kung gusto mo talaga din matuto, hindi mag-enroll ka na. Bago ka pa pumasok sa college, mag-enroll ka na ng, let's say classical guitar. Kung gusto mo talaga, di ba? Pero again, there's a lot of options sa music. Hindi naman, porket electric guitar lang alam mo, ma-ostracize ka na or hindi ka na makakapasok sa, Pero alam mo yun, just find the niche or spot na pasok ka, no? Kung yun yung hilig mo. Kasi, kunwari, dati kasi maraming ganun kasi hindi pa naman uso yung yung modern music sa loob ng music schools, 'di ba? So maraming nagtangka na pumasok, let's say, ng conservatory pero gusto nila maging rockstar. Parang hindi ka naman matuturuan masyado doon. So, ngayon meron ng mga schools that would cater to that type of music, no? Kasi nga pag sinabi natin conservatory, it's more of classical style yung training, which is good din, no? Na meron kang classical foundation so in any instrument, no? Kasi yun yung basis of every technique na tinutugtog natin. Yung mga advanced techniques na yan, kahit wala yan, kung maayos yung foundational techniques mo na natututunan natin sa loob ng music school, marami ka pa ding magagawa. So, it's your choice, your money. And yun, ikaw naman ang mag-aaral eh. So, kung porsigido kang mag-aral ng classical, edi go into a conservatory. If gusto mo talaga modern, tapos mahilig ka sa electric guitar yung gamit mo, edi try to find a school that would cater for you. So, meron na tayong mga ganyang options. So, good luck sa'yo.